Hello students, in this video we will solve a couple of problems in which we will factorize cubic polynomial using the rational root theorem. Our first problem is p of x equal to 2x cubed plus x square minus 4x minus 3. So if we have a look over here, our constant is 3. Actually it's minus 3, but we'll take it as 3, and our leading coefficient is 2, so we get plus or minus 2. Fine. So if you look at all the factors of this, we should get plus or minus 1 and 3, and in the denominator it should be 1 and 2. So which means we should get the factors as plus or minus 1, that is 1 upon 1, then we should get 1 upon 2, then we should get 3, and it should be 3 upon 2. Okay, so these are the possible factors. So let's put it down over here. The constant of p of x is minus 3, and the leading coefficient of p of x is plus 2. I'll just erase this part out and say, therefore possible factors of p of x are, or you can even say roots are, plus or minus 1, half, 3 and 3 by 2. Erase this part out, and now we will have to check for the values to see which of these are actually factors. So we've got 4, which means we will have to check 8 values because it's plus and minus. So let's begin with the first one. P of we'll take at x equal to 1, positive 1. So we get p of 1. Let's see what it is. 2 into 1 whole cube plus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 minus 3. 2 into 1 whole cube gives us 2 plus 1 minus 4 minus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, and we are left with minus 4. So which means that x minus 1 is not a factor of p of x. We can write over here, therefore p of 1 is not equal to 0. That's why this statement. Next we'll check at x equal to minus 1. So we put p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 4 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 whole cube gives us minus 1, minus 1 into plus 2 gives us minus 2. Minus 1 whole square gives us plus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 gives us plus 4, and we are left with minus 3. So let's see what we get here. Minus 3 and minus 2 gives us minus 5, plus 1 and plus 4 gives us plus 5, plus 5 and minus 5 gives us 0. Now this implies that x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, so x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now let's check for the next one. That would be half. So we'll start with at x equal to half. So we put p of half and we check. 2 into half whole cube plus half whole square minus 4 into half minus 3. Now first we'll open the brackets and then we'll look to do any multiplication or division. So 2 into 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4 minus 4 upon 2 minus 3. Okay, so I've opened up the brackets. In this case, I multiplied 4 into 1 and I got 4 upon 2. So now if we have to divide, we'll divide. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1 upon 4 remains the same. In this case, I'll leave it the same because we'll need the denominator to be same over here, or I can actually divide this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, we can do that. We are left with 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, and this would be minus 2 minus 3. Okay, this two I can take together. This will give us 2 upon 4 minus 5. Okay, now clearly you can see that this is not going to be equal to 0, but anyways we'll continue and solve this problem. So if we take that decimal, we'll LCM, we'll get 4 into 5, 20. So 2 minus 20 upon 4, which is equal to minus 18 upon 4, which we divide later. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are. So we get minus 9 upon 2. So this, so you can say therefore P of half is not equal to 0. So this implies that x minus half is not a factor of P of x. So far we have only got positive 1, okay, that's plus 1 as our factor. We have got minus x minus 1, which is also not a factor. We have got x equal to 1, not a factor, but minus 1 is a factor. Then positive half is also not a factor, which means x minus half is not a factor. Let's check for the next one. I'll just erase this part and continue. I'll keep the polynomial the way it is because this is a long problem. So next we check for is at x equal to minus half. At x equal to minus half, what do we get? Minus half, P of minus half is equal to 2 into minus half whole cube plus minus half whole square minus 4 into minus half minus 3. Once again we'll open the bracket. So minus half whole cube gives us minus 1 upon 8. We can write this as 2 minus 2 into minus 1 upon 8. Here this will become positive 1 upon 4. Here minus 1 gets multiplied with minus 4 and we get plus 4. So plus 4 upon 2 minus 3. So in this case minus 2 multiplies with minus 1. This will become positive 2 upon 8. Sorry, there is no minus sign over here. So 2 into minus 1 upon 8 will give us minus 2 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. And here we can cancel this out. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we get plus 2 minus 3. Okay, and then this will be 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, which means minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 2 and minus 3. That gives us minus 1. Minus 1 upon 4 plus half 1 upon 4 is 0, and we're left with minus 1, which means that P of minus half is also not a factor because it is not equal to 0. So we say that x plus half is not a factor of P of x. Okay. Next we'll check, that is at x equal to 3. So P of 3 equal to 2 into 3 whole cube plus 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 minus 3. See, what do we get? 3 whole cube is 27. 27 into 2 is 54. 3 whole square is 9. Minus 4 into minus 3 gives us minus 12 and minus 3. So obviously it is not equal to 0 over here, but we'll calculate this further. Plus 9 minus 12 gives us minus 3, and minus 3 gives us minus 6. 54 minus 6 gives us 48, which means that P of 3 is not equal to 0. This implies x minus 3 is not a factor of P of x. Let's check for x equal to minus 3. So P of minus 3 equal to 2 into 3 whole cube plus 3 whole square, minus signs are there inside, minus 4 into minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 whole cube gives you minus 27. Minus 27 into positive 2 gives us minus 54. Minus 3 whole square gives us positive 9. Minus 4 into minus 3 gives us positive 12, and we left it minus 3. Once again, this will also not give us equal to 0. 12 minus 3 gives us 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, and minus 54 plus 18 will give us minus 36. So that means P of minus 3 is also not equal to 0. That means this implies that x plus 3 is not a factor of P of minus 3. Okay, done. Now the last thing that is left to find out is whether 3 upon 2 is a factor or not. So we begin with at x equal to positive 3 upon 2. Okay, and we'll see if this is a factor or not. P of 3 upon 2 equal to 2 into 3 upon 2 cube plus 3 upon 2 whole square minus 4 to 3 upon 2 minus 3. We will open the bracket first. That will be 2 into 3 whole cube is 27 upon 8 plus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, and here this will be minus 12 upon 2 minus 3. Here we can cancel this out. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So here we can cancel this. 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we get 27 upon 4 plus 9 upon 4 minus 6, and minus 3 gives us minus 9. Okay, and here 27 plus 9 we can add up because the denominators are the same. We get 36 upon 4 minus 9. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay. So now we can say that this is x equal to 3 upon 2. That means x minus 3 upon 2 is a factor of P of x. So apart from minus 1, we got 3 upon 2 as well, which is a factor of the given polynomial. So at x equal to minus 3 upon 2, we will see what do we get. P of minus 3 upon 2 equal to 2 into minus 3 upon 2 cube plus minus 3 upon 2 whole square minus 4 into minus 3 upon 2 minus 3. Okay, we open the brackets. We will get 2 into minus 27 upon 8. This will get positive 9 upon 4. Here we'll get minus 4 into minus 3 will get positive 12 upon 2, and this will be minus 3. Okay, So here we cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and here we will cancel this out, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we are left with minus 27 upon 4 plus 9 upon 4, and 6 minus 3 will give us positive 3. So minus 27, so we can easily subtract this because the denominators are the same. So which means we will get 18 upon 4, minus 18 upon 4 plus 3. To continue this further, we'll have to take the LCM. 4 into 3 is 12. So minus 18 plus 12 upon 4. That will come to minus 6 upon 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So we get equal to minus 3 upon 2, which means that p upon minus 3 upon 2 is not equal to 0. So therefore x plus 3 upon 2 is not a factor of p of x. So from this we can conclude finally that is over here. The factors of p of x are, or the polynomial are, x plus 1 and that will, other one would be x minus 3 upon 2. Now x minus 3 upon 2 can be written as, if you take it equal to 0, so that will become x equal to 3 upon 2. This is what we got. We can write it as 2x 3 into 2 into x, 2x equal to 3, and then 3 we bring this side, the positive becomes negative, so 2x minus 3. So it is 2x minus 3. So you can write this as 2x minus 3. So these are the factors of the polynomial. And because this is a cubic polynomial, there has to be another root as well. So then if you go by long division, you get x plus 1 repeated. So actually the factors, it would be something like this. The actual equation factors will be something like this. If you take the polynomial 2x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 3 will be equal to x plus 1 into x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. So this x plus 1, the root gets repeated in this case. But this is a common factor. So x plus 1, 2x minus 3, using the rational root theorem, this is what we get. Okay, so I hope you have understood from this problem. Do not forget to hit the like button if you have liked the video, and share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.